We started OxSight as a spin-out from the University of Oxford about 12 months ago. It was based on the work from my lab, looking at wearable prosthetics for people who are visually impaired. We call the product Smart Specs, and it's an augmented reality system that's basically a wearable camera and display that we can use computer vision techniques to boost sight. The technology of Smart Specs is actually relatively simple. The general concept is that if you become legally blind, it becomes very difficult for you to separate the foreground from the background. So the Smart Specs work with a camera system and a computer that's trying to detect things of importance to a person and then really just crop them out of the background. So highlight them, make them high contrast and easy to see, and drop away all the background as much as possible. The glasses are targeted at a number of different types of eye conditions. So we look at people who are legally blind but still have some remaining sight. We are particularly looking at people who have got central vision, so you can call that tunnel vision if you like. The main conditions are things like retinitis pigmentosa and glaucoma. So our smart glasses have different modes that people can use for different scenarios. The first one looks at what we call cartoonization. So anything that's nearby becomes this high contrast cartoon. It works particularly well for faces or for check shirts. Another way you can look at it is doing some bright white edge enhancement on top of objects. And this can help bring out some of the details of different classes of objects, works maybe better for furniture and static objects like that. And then actually the third one is like a straightforward color camera coming through. What we try to do with that is we allow people to zoom in, zoom out. The things that work out really well are things like detecting faces. So we've had a lot of people talk about how they've had really interesting conversations with family members because now they can see their face. Less than half the people who are visually impaired attempt to leave their house every day. But what our glasses have been able to do is give people the confidence to go pub, go bowling, go out and do social things, and that helps with depression and work prospects and social interaction. I think engineering has a fundamental role in dealing with accessibility. So if you've got a physical disablement, then your ability to use certain aspects of societal infrastructure, public transport, doorways, stairs and things like that need to be modified in order for you to be a fully abled person. Yeah, I mean engineering is at the core of trying to make that work.